What is going on, guys? I'm Sandolali here with another live trading video. Today is Thursday, November the 5th, 2020. Time is 9:28 Eastern, so that means we got about 2 minutes before the market opens. In front of you, I have two charts. We have the Nasdaq 100 and the S&P 500. They are both on a 5-minute chart. And we are trading a live account with one contract, and our daily goal is to make 100 ticks or $500. That's if we trade the Nasdaq. If we trade the S&P, we will still try to hit those $500, but of course each tick on the Nasdaq is $5. Each tick on the S&P is $12.50. Alright guys, so what we see here is the overnight session. The market was hit this support twice and it just came all the way up. So we're on an uptrend right now. It's doing a little bit of a retracement, same thing with the S&P. So now what we can expect right now when the market opens is we want to wait to see if the next candle goes high and then it comes down, or if the next candle comes down and then the market goes back up. Same thing with the S&P. So what we're gonna do is, again, we got about 30 seconds before market opens. We're gonna just wait and see the first 5 minutes, see what the market does. If in fact it goes up, doesn't take all these highs, then it means it's gonna continue to retrace lower before it keeps going up. Or if it comes back down to these lows and then it continues its way to the upside. So with that said, guys, market just open right now. Again, we're just gonna have to see what it does, and then based on the first 5 minutes, we'll see which way the market wants to go, and then we'll wait for a setup and go for a trade. So I'm gonna pause the video and get you guys back when we're ready to trade. All right guys, so market open, came down here, it's doing a bit of a pullback. So this time I want to see how far it goes. So I want to think, I gotta wait to see if this candle keeps going lower, or that's as low as it's gonna get and it's gonna come the other way. Alright guys, so we're in this trade, buying the market. And what I'm going to do is see, this is the thing. This candle is going to tell us if in fact it's going to continue to go higher, or if it's just retracing to continue to go lower. So at this point, guys, I know it's kind of early for me to do it, but I don't want to risk, so I'm gonna just come to a break even. Right now we're at break even. It's looking good. At this point, no point of risking any more money. I'm gonna put it. I'm just gonna let the market do its thing. See if it gets our goal. So I'll put my stop loss at support. Target filled, guys. There he goes. That's a trade for the day. 500 in the bag. So again, market open. It came down again. We're on an uptrend, as you guys can see. So we figured this would be the retracement. We saw it came down, and then the next candle started coming down. It didn't go as low, so that's why we said, okay, this is this means there's going to be a continuation to the upside. So we took that buy. We got our 100 ticks, 500 bucks. Great trade, guys. That's it for us. It took us roughly about 10 minutes. So that's it for today, guys. We can do this consistently every single day. That's $500 a day. That's $2,500 a week. That's $10,000 a month. And I'm a very, very happy trader if I can get that consistently, which I have been getting. So we are doing good. So with that said, guys, I hope you liked the video. If you do, go ahead and give it a like. If you're new to this channel, go ahead and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you can see our videos. Guys, be careful out there. Happy trading, and I will see you in the next video.